turn on the power, and then turn the dial to the position at the self-clean. And then press the start and hold until display show AS. That means you enter test mode or diagnostic mode. And then press the water level button to enter the manual test mode or diagnostic mode, step 1, to test the door lock. Press the water level again. It enters step 2, to test the drain pump. Press the water level button again. It will test cold water valve. You can see the cold water pouring in. And the next you press the water level button again, they will enter to test the hot water valve. Press the water level button again. It enters the step 6 to test the wash cycle. Press the water level button again. They will enter the drain water step to test the drain pump. After draining out the water, you press the water level button again. They will enter to the spin cycle to test the motor if it's run in the high speed. It sends a few period pulse to speed up the motor. Press the water level button again. It skipped step 9 because this washer doesn't have a heater. The step 10 is the test door. After that, you press the water level again, they will finish. If nothing wrong, they will show AS. If you want to run auto diagnostic mode, hit this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.